name is Ajinkya. I work for Cocktails and Dreams as a bar trainer, senior mixologist. It's a bar and beverage school in Mumbai. It's in Khar, Mumbai. So today it's been a long time. I'm hoping that you guys are at home and you guys are pretty safe. But then it's quite boring staying at home. It's been quite long that everybody is at home and doing nothing. You must have got over on your Netflix, or probably you guys must be done with your Netflix series as well. But then this is a good opportunity to learn something new. As summer has hit us very badly, so I thought of sharing this recipe with you all as a cool drink to chill you out. So this is the drink which I'm going to serve you. This is the drink which I'm going to show you. This is called as a smoothie. Everybody is aware of making smoothie, but then let's make a quick recipe about it. So when we speak about smoothie, it was invented in 1920. It was invented by Julius Fred. He invented that recipe to cure his stomach disease. Technically, it's a healthy drink to consume. Since then, the drink got very much famous in the hospitality. Every house started making that drink. Every hospitality people started serving it during the breakfast. So it's quite healthy because it contains protein, it contains carbohydrates, it contains magnesium, and everything together. So during this Corona time, definitely it will be useful for all of you to increase to stay healthy. This drink can be served. So I'm gonna make a mango and banana split smoothie. I'm gonna make a mango and banana split smoothie. So the drink which has it have banana. I'm going to use banana. I am going to use mango, cut mango slices. Now these two fruits I have freezed it. I'm using it frozen. So what will happen is it does not have. I'm not gonna add a lot of ice into my drink. I'm not going to add, because I don't like blending my drink. I don't like diluting my drink.
People are saying no sound.
Can you hear?
Sound not audible, man.
Audible must be slow.
Can you hear?
Can you hear now? Yeah, let's start it all over again. So today I'm gonna share a recipe of smoothie which was actually got invented in 1920. It has a history of 1920, which was invented by Mr. Julius Fred. It was in 1920. He invented that to cure his stomach disease, and since then this recipe got very much famous in the hospitality as well as each and every house. Though it has got a very healthier ingredients into it, as we add curd into it, milk into it, we add fresh fruits, we also add fresh fruits into it. So that is how this drink is going to be pretty healthier while drinking. And during this corona, yes, it is going to be helpful for all of you. Since it's a thirsty day out, so I'm going to share this recipe with you all. The one which I'm going to make is mango and banana split smoothie. So the ingredient which I am going to use is mango. It is frozen. The second ingredient which I am going to use is cut slices of banana. Again, it is frozen. The third ingredient which I am going to use is Amul fresh cream. The second ingredient which I am going to use is Amul badam milk, Amul milk. Then I am going to use curd, as it contains 4.1% of protein in it. So curd will be a balancing flavor in my drink, as it will add on to a sourness to my drink, and it will balance it out the complete smoothie. And it's a main key ingredient. So always keep it in your mind. You have to add curd into your drink. So let's start making. So I'm gonna add 6 to 8 chunks of mango, frozen mango. Why I'm preferring adding frozen mangoes, because frozen fruits are better. If I add the crushed ice, I avoid adding ice into my smoothies because I don't want to over dilute my flavors. So rather than that, let's make it chilled, let's make it cold. So I'm not gonna add a lot of ice into it, just 2 to 3 cubes while serving. So I'm gonna add 6 to 8 mango chunks, banana slices, 3-4 banana slices. I'm going to add Amul cream, fresh cream. Shake it before using it, never keep it as it is. So I'm going to add 30 ml of fresh cream. I'm adding Amul milk, which is a flavored milk which will add on to a sweetness to my drink. I'm adding 45 ml of badam milk, and again the main ingredient curd. I'm going to add again 30 ml of curd. Precisely it will be 3 bar spoons of curd. It is quite easy to make. If you have a blender, if you have a hand blender, you can use it and just blend it directly. You don't need to add ice into it, as my all ingredients are quite pretty frozen. So blend it nicely. Make sure the lumps are you're getting rid of the lumps and the fresh fruits. In a nice tall glass, you can serve your complete drink. Always remember, the ice what we use, the homemade ice, is always little watery. It is not that great for your normal regular drinks because it gives you a lot of dilution. So I'm just going to add 4 to 5 small pieces of ice. And on top, if you like your garnishes to be, if you like your drink to look a little better, you can add some garnish on top, which will be a almond flour or probably crushed almonds. So your smoothie is ready to go. That's your nice and thick smoothie, which you can enjoy during your summertime. Cheers, happy quarantine. You can cut and